Hi all, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we will be understanding about window transformation in mapping data flow activity of Azure Data Factory. So for this purpose, I've created input and output data sets. You can see the inputs data set is having 3 columns: student, subject, marks. Here you can see there are 3 different students and their marks is of 3 different subjects: maths, science, English, maths, science, English, and there are like different marks obtained by those students. Okay, the requirement is that we have to assign ranks, okay, in the first case to the students, okay, on the basis of the marks they have obtained in different subjects. Okay, let's say for this particular student, she has scored the highest in science and English both. Okay, in both the subjects she has scored 82, so it should be assigned rank 1 and 1. Okay, and then the second highest is in maths. Okay, so this, the rank 2 should be assigned to this, or 3 if it is skip rank. Okay, so 1 1, and here you can see 3, and if we are using dense rank function, then it will be 1 1 and 2. Okay, so window transformation, what it does is it works on the window. Okay, so the window we have created is on the student column. Okay, for a particular student, an IDA only, it will assign the ranks. Okay, it will not take like the highest among all let's say the data set. It will only consider the partition or the window. Okay, next will be it will take up the next student. Okay, the highest scored marks will be let's say in maths, then science, and then English. Okay, so it will be 1 2 3. Okay, so this will be like same because they have different numbers or marks stored in the subjects. So this will be the rank column, which is known as the skip rank. Dense rank, it will not skip. It will if there are like 2 rows having the same values or marks, it will take the next value as the next number only. It will not skip it. And the third also I mean the aggregation could be used as row number, in which it assigns the sequence of numbers starting from 1 onwards, and it will not skip. It will simply assign numeric values, incrementing it by 1. So this we are going to achieve through the window transformation in this video. This is a very basic beginner level video, and we can achieve much more than this using the window transformation. So first let's go to the official documentation page of window transformation from Microsoft. Here you can see that it states that the window transformation is where you will define window-based aggregations of columns in your data stream. So window-based aggregation is what is on the basis of the student column. Okay, here the window is created on the basis of students, different window is created, and the ranks are assigned on those windows. Okay, had it been like a normal ranking, if we have not windowed it or partitioned it like we do in SQL, it would have assigned like the highest is, let's say here 91, it would have assigned 1 here, then 2 here on the complete data set. It would not have windowed it. So for window transformation, it will consider the windows and will assign the values as per the let's say the functions which we have selected. Okay, so this is what it says. Then in the expression builder, you can define different types of aggregations based on the data or the time windows. So the SQL over clause, such as so SQL over clause in like SQL, we have the analytical functions, different analytical functions. There also we use lead, lag, NTILE, CUMEDIST, rank, row number, etc. So I have opened another link, okay, a helpful link where you can see that here we have the data set where we have employee number, department number, salary, and a rank we are assigning over here. So you can see that the syntax is like, here it will be rank over partition by department number. We are on the basis of department number partitioning it. Partition by is same as the window we are creating on the basis of department number. Okay, so for 10 department number, it will create a window, you can see, and we are ordering it by salary. Okay, so we are considering this salary column for like sorting it and then assigning the rank. So this is what we are going to implement in window transformation. So here you can see a new field will be generated in your output that includes these aggregations. Will also include optional group by fields. Okay, then there are some configuration level settings like over. And over stands for, I mean, it is the equivalent, the SQL equivalent is the partition by. Okay, so the partition by, what how we are doing is here on department number in this data set, which they have demonstrated in this link, and in our data set we are partitioning it on student column. Okay, so different buckets are created on the basis of student column. Then next comes this sort. Yeah, definitely sort. Sort is like the order by, which we do here after partitioning. Okay, after assigning the window, we order it. Here we are doing on salary. In our case, we'll be doing on marks. Okay, our order by will be on marks. So this is done. Next ascending descending we can select as per our requirement. The third is range by. Range by, we'll leave it as unbounded in our case. Okay, for this particular video we'll be taking it as unbounded. Then comes the fourth configuration, which is window, where we'll define the different aggregations. Okay, so in this scenario, in this example, SQL example, we have this rank, where we are assigning rank on the basis of salary, and here in our data set it is the marks. Okay, on the basis of marks we are assigning the rank, dense rank, and row number also. So let's go to the Azure Data Factory and we'll start creating the pipeline. Yeah, so let's start creating a pipeline first. So pipeline window, we have to include the data flow activity. Let's add the source window. The dataset, the input dataset is here placed inside the input folder as window.csv. So we have these columns. We'll connect to this. So let's connect to the storage Gen2 account. It's a CSV file. Let's name it as sample input or window. The link service for the Gen2 account is already in place. File first row is having header, so click on it. Let's browse to the file, input window.csv, click OK. Click OK. And let's preview the data, keeping rest of the settings as is. Refresh. Since the data flow debug option is already enabled, we can see the data. So here we have the data coming from the source. Next we need to attach the window transformation, which comes under the schema modifier section. So let's add the window transformation. Let's keep the name as window. Next we have the configuration settings. So these are the four main settings. First is over, sort, second, third is range by, and window columns. As we read in the official documentation page, here over stands for, or it is equivalent to, SQL's partition by. Okay, so here in our case we are partitioning it on, or bucketing it or windowing it on student column. So here we'll select in under this over section student column. Okay, next comes the sort. Okay, so the sort is same as what we read here, is order by of the analytical function. Let's say here we have seen, here after partitioning it on the department number, which we did on the student, we have to order it. So here they are doing it on salary, and in our case it is marks. Okay, so let's go back to the settings and we have to sort it on marks column. So select marks, and by default the ordering will be ascending, but in our case we have to give it in descending order, okay, because we have to assign the ranks on the basis of higher to lower. Okay, next comes range by, where we'll be keeping it as unbounded only for this video. And next is the window columns. Okay, so the window columns, here we are generating it as rank, tens rank, row num. Okay, so the first is rank column. Okay, so here we'll create rank column. Okay, and the expression, open the expression builder and we'll write rank. So rank will appear by IntelliSense first, and we'll click on save and finish. Okay, so let's first go to the data preview and see if we are doing it correctly. Okay, so we have different like students, subjects, marks, and the rank is assigned. Okay, so for the very first student, we know that it was having same marks for two of the subjects, so same rank is assigned. And since rank is a skip rank, so it skips the next number and took 3. And for rest of them, they were having unique marks, so it has assigned 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Okay, this looks fine. Now we'll add other functions like tens rank and row num also. So let's go back to the window settings, and here we have the plus sign, plus add. Click on it, add column. We'll name it as tens rank this time, tens rank. Okay, and in the expression builder, let's make it as DENSC. Okay, so select from here and save, finish. Okay, next we'll give row num. So okay, give it as row num, and expression will give it as row, and it will come here, so row number. Okay, save and finish. Okay, so this has been like configured for all these three, and we'll then go to the data preview again and refresh. Okay, so we have got it. Okay, the tens rank, it has not skipped it, it has taken 2 when they have the same assignment in marks. Next we have row number, which will assign normal 1 2 3 incremental ordered numbers. So we have configured it and achieved the desired result as we wanted in our output data set. So let's now connect it to sync, and sync window. Next, where we want the file in Gen2 as CSV sync window. Browse it to the output folder. Okay, first row will be having header. Click OK and go to the settings. We want the file name to be a single file, so set single partition. File name would be window output.csv. Okay, leave others as default, and let's preview the data here too. Okay, looks fine. Let's publish the changes. And here we'll debug and then wait for this pipeline to get completed. We can see that it succeeded. Let's go to the output folder. This is the output file. Preview it. Okay. Okay, so we have got the desired result. Yep, ranks are assigned as skip rank, dense rank we have added, and row number. Okay, so this looks as, so the output data set is same as what we expected. This looks fine. So I hope you have understood this basic understanding of window transformation in data flow activity, and thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead. Bye.